Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through a step-by-step process on how to delete your Adobe account. Start by making a local copy or backup of your files, photos, videos, Adobe stock images, and other projects stored with Adobe. Next, sign into your account at https://account.adobe.com/privacy. If you're using an Adobe app on iOS, iPhone, or iPad, you can delete your Adobe account directly through the app. Tap on your profile icon or open the app settings, then select account, then delete Adobe account. Follow the on instructions. You might be prompted to visit the App Store to cancel your subscription when deleting your Adobe account. On the Adobe website, under Privacy and Personal Data, scroll down and click on Delete Adobe account. Then, select Continue. If you're asked to cancel your plan, follow the on-screen instructions. If you need to leave an organization, follow the provided steps. If you have an administrative role, you must first transfer the role and then leave the organizations. Once you've cancelled any active memberships or left any organizations, select Continue to delete your account. Choose your reason for deleting the account and then select Continue. Finally, accept the terms and conditions before selecting Confirm to delete your Adobe account. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.